Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you SentinelOne Security Honest Review. Is it worth it? SentinelOne is like having an AI-powered watchdog guarding your system. It detects zero-day threats, ransomware, and even fileless attacks, then neutralizes them instantly. One of its standout features is rollback. If malware slips through, you can literally rewind your system to pre-attack state. Add to that single dashboard for managing Windows, macOS, Linux, cloud, and identity security, plus smooth onboarding and expert support. And you've got a powerhouse solution, but it's not perfect. False positive can quarantine legitimate apps, policies can be tricked to fine tune, and on older hardware it may feel source heavy. So is it worth it? For large enterprises with security teams, absolutely. It delivers AI driven protection and unmatched visibility. But for small businesses or solo setups, it might create more hassles than help. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.